Adding a single color filter over your photos can make them look really unique. While you might think I'm talking about black and white colors, in fact, the effect I will show you in this video is called monochromatic color grading. And it's an effect that makes your pictures really interesting. And the best of all, it's easy to do in Photoshop. But first, let's talk about what monochromatic means. As I mentioned earlier, you might assume that monochromatic refers to black and white. That's a common meaning, but it really means single color. So in fact, a monochromatic photo used shades of one color. This creates a bold, graphic look, and you can use any color you want. This color grading gives your photos extra style. It makes them stand out. This works great for all kinds of photo. Portraits, landscapes, and still life pictures all look cool with this effect. In fact, it captures people's attention and draws their eyes to your images. The bold and graphic aesthetic creates an artistic look, make it an easy way to make your photography stand out and be unique. So here are few simple steps to color grade any photo. First, open your photo in Photoshop. Then go to the adjustment layer icon in the layer panel. Click on it and then click on the black and white adjustment layer. With this action, you are removing all the colors. Once you are done with the black and white layer, go back to the adjustment layer icon and select a solid color option. Now you need to select the main color you want to achieve in the photo. In the last step, you need to select the solar colored layer and set the blending mode to color. This simple move adds back just the one color in different shades. And that's all there is to do. The color you have selected now interacts with the black and white layer, resulting in a perfect monochromatic effect. The best part is you can keep changing the color. Just see what the different hues do to the mood of your photo. How about dark red, ghostly green, deep purple? Experiment until you find a shade you love. There are so many options to explore. This simple technique brings out people's creative side and it only takes a few clicks. It's accessible to anyone, even beginners. Give it a try to all kinds of photos. See how it makes them pop. Your pictures will grab attention with this artsy, graphic look. As you can see, monochromatic color grading takes basic pictures to the next level. It adds flair that makes people take notice. Experiment with shades and opacity until each photo speaks to you. This simple trick helps beginners explore their creative side. So, see how the splash of a color makes your work stand out from the crowd.